If you have a spousal support or child support order and something happens to your employment situation, let's say you lost a job or you started to make less money, then you cannot just automatically stop paying less unless you have a stipulation that says we will have adjustment every 6 months by exchanging income and expense declarations, both parties, petitioner and respondent, in order to adjust child support or spousal support temporarily. So if that happens, if something happens with your employment, you have to file a motion to modify child support or spousal support. Because if you don't, then you are obligated, let's say you lost a job, you're still obligated to pay spousal support and child support. And then even after you file, you still are obligated to pay until the next hearing and the judge establishes, yes, you lost your job, not voluntarily, so we will not impute your income. Because if someone says, you know what, I'm not going to work because I don't want to pay child support, spousal support, I quit, then the court will assign imputed income to you to say that because you voluntarily stopped working, now you have the burden of proof to show that it wasn't done in order to pay less child support and spousal support. Therefore, we will pretend as if you're making as much money as you do because you stopped working voluntarily. I created this book to help you understand the divorce process without getting lost or without getting a heart attack. You can buy it on Amazon in all formats, including audio format. So now, let's say you lose a job, immediately go to the courthouse, file an income and expense declaration, FL 300, with supporting documents, with the letter that you were, let's say, laid off or basically released from work, not at your fault. And then once you get a hearing date, the court will retroactively apply the modification to the date of filing. That is very important to know because some people, when they stop paying and there is child support agency involved, then you get sanctions, you cannot get wage garnishment, but you can get restriction to travel, you can get in all kinds of situations where it's not going to be pleasant. They can levy your bank account. I had a situation where a child support service accidentally didn't review the order, where we wiped out $25,000 and they levied my client bank account, and then we had to email them and fax them and they backed off. But basically that's the moral of the story today. If something changes, nothing changes automatically. You have to do it with the court by filing a motion. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.